Today we're going to be putting 3 plug spinners to the test. My dad Pete's, the LockFather's the favorite, his old school A1 plug spinner against the 2 different Rytans. Let's do a battle. Let's see who wins. And Dad, the only thing that I'm asking is that you are very honest. If you hate one, tell them you hate it. So let's go ahead. Let's get the camera flipped around. Let's get right after it. And let's see what he thinks.
Bring it on.
All right, so the first one up is the old A1 plug spinner. Now, I believe it was a part number 26.
Yeah, you're right. It was.
Now, this unit is not made anymore, and but you still use it, and starting out, it is your favorite.
Yes.
Hasn't broke yet?
No, this one hasn't broke. It usually breaks at the weld right there.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and give this one a try.
Yeah, this is the old school one I've had for years. I like it because it's light, it's not bulky, and it does a better job, I think, but that's my opinion. That's why we all have an opinion, right? So what you do is you turn it counterclockwise because we already have it picked to the right, and it's in the lock position. So now, turn it to the right, put it in the fatter part of the hole. I like it at 45. A lot of guys like it like that. But this one, I like that 45. Let go, and there it is. It's picked.
All right, Dad, so, I mean, kind of what you expected. I mean, it looked simple for you to do.
Real basic. It's easy to hold, easy to flip.
You've used it a lot.
Yes.
All right, so next up is the Rytan RY5798. Now, this is the most inexpensive plug spinner out there that you can get. You can order these replacement blades, which is interesting.
Yeah.
Kind of like a pocket, right? You can put it in your pocket there or whatever. But let's go ahead. Now, some of your guys use this.
Yep, that's the one we buy them.
Okay, this is the one you typically buy? Okay, let's see how this one goes.
Okay, this one is the RY5798 Rytan product. So again, you push the little button and it comes, so you have to turn it the way you want. So you turn it, let's see, no, a lot of times I turn it the wrong way. So turn it, a little tougher. So, and then you have the arrow showing. Then same thing, you put it in, I hold it, go there. You can turn it up a little bit like that. Some work better than others, so you don't have to travel as far. And put it in and hit it. And there it is. It looks like it's locked, but it isn't. You see how it turns? And it's unlocked.
All right, so how did this one go for you?
It went easy because it's not super strong springed, but yet it does the job.
Now I noticed that you brought the plug much closer to the shear line than from your A1. Why?
Because some of them don't have as much spring like this. The A1, you can see all the spring on it.
Yeah, yep.
So if you overwind it, you'll break it.
Okay.
But the Rytan, the black one, all my guys have, and they love it. I just instead of having the cylinder at a 45, we put it at about a 20.
Yep.
And then put it in there, and it 90% time works well.
Okay. All right, now then last up is the RY57. So this is kind of like the deluxe model of the Rytan ones. I can't remember how many they say they've sold of this one, but a lot. I mean, this is a big seller.
Right.
So I'm really curious to have you try it out and see what you think.
Okay, let's go. Now we pick the lock again to the right. It's locked. This is the RY57 Rytan plug spinner. So you turn it counterclockwise and you push in. My grip isn't always the best. So there I did it, pushed in. Again, you can turn it so it's like that. Makes it a little easier most of the time. And then this little thing you push you know, push in and it'll spin it. Let's see what happens. There it is. It spins and it's unlocked. And I never turn them back until you got the door open in case you have to, because if you jar them, sometimes they'll lock back up on you. And there it is. So this is the RY57 plug spinner.
All right, so how did this one go for you?
Well, for me personally, it's really hard to turn it.
Okay.
Because my hands aren't as strong as they used to be.
Okay.
But it worked well once you got it turned. It takes a little strength for me because I've lost my strength, but it still works well.
Yeah, and I did notice like you also didn't do, you know, you brought
I brought it back up to the 20 degrees.
Yeah, to the 20 degrees from the shear. Okay.
And so you don't have to flip it as hard.
Okay. All right, Dad, so you've tried all 3 plug spinners.
Yep.
And I mean, I'm guessing you still love the A1.
The best?
The best.
To me, it is.
Okay.
No matter what the price is, I still think that's the one for me.
Okay.
I wish they still made it.
When it comes to these other two, these 2 Rytans, what one is your favorite and why?
Well, I would pick this one because, first of all, it's inexpensive.
Okay.
The guys do bend the blades because they're turning them the wrong way or they over crank on it.
Okay.
But it's inexpensive. It's pretty flat to put in your pinning or your
pick set?
Pick set, yeah. And they love it. You know, it breaks every so often, just like any of them.
Yeah.
But this one's still a good
You like that
value.
one better?
Yeah.
Now, how much does price play into that, honestly, for you?
When it's for me,
yes,
price is no problem. When it's for my guys, well, because they're a little rougher on the stuff, and I pay for them, they don't. But, you know, you only have to do one lockout with each one, and you made nothing but money.
Yeah. All right, so at the end of the day, when it comes down to plug spinners for you, the A1 still where it's at. Second place here is going to be the let's just call it the cheap Rytan, the RY5798.
Inexpensive, right?
And then this is your least favorite, I'm guessing, because of how hard it is for you to turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because a lot of the locksmiths are older. You young bucks can yank that sucker and turn it, no problem.
Yeah. But all in all, I mean, would you say that that the A1 to you is still the easiest to use? Is that why you like it?
It is the easiest, in my opinion.
Yeah. All right, well, hey, we would love to know what you think in the comments below out of these 3. Maybe we can do some other ones with a couple other plug spinners down the road.
Sure.
And let's see if we can at some point dethrone the one that's not made anymore.
And this one is a lot harder to carry around because it's more bulky.
Yeah. Yeah, it's thick.
Yes, thick, just like the LockFather.
Oh boy. All right, well, hey, let us know what you think in the comments below. We look forward to checking them out. Thank you for watching. Thanks for doing this.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
And we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.